Hi, it's James. Got this quick video for you that is about something that really exciting that's just about to come out. This is the next iteration of WorkshopData. If we click on WorkshopData in the vehicle section, this has got all of the technical information about the vehicle. This is like super cool. So it opens up into lubricants and fluids, and so you've got all of the different lubricants and fluids in here, which are obviously super valuable. You know what the literage is, what sort of type they are. In some instances, where you need to what sort of repair you might need to do, or how you replace the fluids, which is super cool. The ID locations about like where the VIN is, for example. Where the engine code is on the engine. There's lots and lots of different stuff in here. We've got the maintenance and repair times as well, which is all about the times, and so you can look up and see the times, which you can currently get that into an invoice at the moment. We can look at all repairs, and so we've got the different groups of repairs, but you can look at all of them here if you want under quick guides, and these are all of the repairs for this specific vehicle, and so if you want to go, for example, into wheel alignment settings, this will show you all the story, all the nuts that you need to do, various things that you need to, and how you carry out this job, which is super, super valuable for you. So that's all there. We've got technical drawings about, like, again, we can get all of them. So the engine, the master cylinder, I can click on that and I can see it, in its entirety. I can see things like, what the torque settings on there are and things like that, which is, again, really, really valuable. Adjustments, to what sort of things need to be variations of how things get adjusted. Here's, where the belts go, things like that. So there's so much great information in here that it's super exciting. Warning lights, some of them are pretty basic, but on maybe more of the modern vehicles and more sophisticated vehicles, there's lots of warning lights, and they can be really valuable as well. Under Smart Pack, you've got things like the recalls and cases, and so in here there's a recall, for example, about some sort of defect. The evaporative emission system got recalled. This affected 85,000 vehicles. So pretty important to know that. You can see cases as well. The window doesn't fully close, and here's a solution on how to fix a known problem with this particular vehicle. As you can see, this is like super valuable. It's inside Workshop software. All you need to do is, if you've got a vehicle and you've got the correct details, particularly the VIN, you just simply go in here, click Workshop Data, and it'll open up that and it'll give you all of the information. This is now embedded inside Workshop software, so you don't have to go to some third-party system. You can, just simply click this button. It finds the right vehicle for you. You don't have to go searching for it. This is due soon. Currently going through testing. We are looking to get this out really, really soon. We're super pumped about it. We're looking for some beta test sites as well. So once it's on beta, if you want to have a go at it, let me know. And yeah, so this is really exciting. We'll let you know when it's going to come out, the actual dates, but so far this is a sneak peek. I'm super pumped about it, so I wanted to let you know right now that what was going on. So yeah, this is really cool. This is a super valuable addition to Workshop software. Thanks.